he has emphasized for the growth of this agar in northeastern region and particularly in Tripura. The agar tree, its botanical name is Equularia species that belongs to fungi kingdom, we know it. And it produces agar, a dark, fragrant, resinous wood. When the tree gets infected, by this mold, that is this fungi. We didn't have any idea, although we belong to Agartala or from Tripura, that this kind of agar also will be our future. This GSTB will be increased because of that. Now creating, by this inoculation of this mold, creating a highly prized material for incense, perfumes, and even traditional medicine too, especially valued in Asia and Middle East. Native to Southeast Asia, this tropical evergreen trees develops agarwood as a defense mechanism. There is action, reaction, and because of that it happens, making it a rare and expensive, leading to cultivation and artificial inoculation methods to meet global demand for its precious oil and wood. You must be knowing everything, just because I have to tell something, so that's why I am also telling. For maturity, and because I was a teacher in a college, so I have to tell as a teacher, and audience is my students. I feel so, I don't know. So for maturity and production, it requires about 7 to 10 years or more to produce agarwood. But what my speakers, previous speakers, they have mentioned, particularly our Honorable Forest Minister, he has mentioned about it. This success completely depends on technical expertise and understanding complex factors like soil, then climate, fungal infection to produce high quality, then profitable resin, making it a lucrative material. So you see, there are some areas, for example, our pineapple, if you want to grow in Kashmir, never it will grow like that. So from Kashmir also, if you bring the trees, apple, and if you plant it in Tripura, that apple will not be as good as that area. So it depends upon the climate also. So our Mr. Dey already had mentioned that some other states, they are trying to grow this kind of agar tree. So I wish best of luck for them, but I doubt they can take our climates and all. So, and Tripura, the Prime Minister's vision of Northeast, what he calls the Ashtalakshmi, our 8 states we have. Previously we had only 7 states. Now after inclusion of Sikkim, it has become 8. Now immediately he has given Ashtalakshmi. So Lakshmis are there. And Lakshmi through agar, I think, particularly it would be started from Tripura and this Assam. And it recognizes that our region holds treasures. Treasures are in manifold in northeastern region. So one of that treasure is agarwood, if we think, and really we can produce, if we produce more in proper way, expertise, proper expertise are there, then I think our GSDP will be increased. Everywhere I say, I proud to tell you that in northeastern region we stand, so far this GSDP is concerned, we stand at 2nd position, although we are very small state. So far this per capita income is concerned, we stand at the 2nd position. Our Niti Aayog already have given us certificate that this Tripura is now the state is running like anything, So yes, they have given us a good certificate. So in every aspect, so far this law and order situation is concerned, out of 28 states, from the below, we stand at third position. So in all aspects, we are doing our best. So I would like to sincere thanks the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region donor for recognizing agarwood as a focus commodity. The Agar steering group constituted under the Ministry of Donor has brought focused attention to both the challenges and opportunities of this sector. Their guidance is helping us shape a coordinated, then sustainable and market-driven future for agarwood in the Northeast. The Northeast is the heart of India's agarwood sector, already I have mentioned about it, contributing an overwhelming about 96% of country's agarwood population. So, the Agar International Trade and Research Center with 15 crores support from the Northeastern Council will become our innovation hub. Hence, research will meet commerce, growers will learn new techniques, international buyers will find quality assurance. Under the PM Divine schemes, we are establishing an integrated agarwood cluster with rupees 27.42 crore, covering nurseries, plantation, distillation facilities and skill training. This cluster will benefit over 7,000 people directly, including women entrepreneurs and youth. We have also applied for GI tag for Tripura agarwood, and that also I think it should be done. A GI tag means, why we say this geographical this tag means that when someone purchases Tripura agarwood, they know exactly what they are getting, a product of our soil, climate and traditional expertise. It protects our identity, gives our craftsmen the recognition they deserve, and distinguishes Tripura's agarwood in global markets. So the GI tag is very important for us. We are working with central departments to create a single window online platform for exporters. Imagine exporters being able to track their application, know exactly when permits will be ready, and plan their shipments with confidence. From purchase order to consignment, the shipment, we are committed to reliable delivery timelines. This conclave is also being transformed. We are launching virtual buyer-seller meets for regular connection between our producers and international markets. Technology will bridge the distance between Kodamtala and what we said that in other places also we are going to start. So this Kodamtala and other places of Tripura and markets in Dubai, Riyadh and beyond. With our resource base, policy framework, central partnership and most importantly, the skill of our people, I am confident we will drive a manifold increase in trade. Every farmer who plants an agarwood tree invests in Tripura's future. Every entrepreneur who sets up a distillation unit creates job. Every international buyer who sources from Tripura validates our quality. Together we are building something remarkable. I again welcome international guests to Tripura, explore our state, meet our people and experience our hospitality. You will find not just a product but as if you are a partner. To our farmers and entrepreneurs, your state government stands by you. Every intervention we make is designed to help you succeed. The fragrance of agarwood has traveled from Tripura's forests to royal courts and prayer halls, etc. across the world for centuries. Today we write a new chapter, if I am not wrong, one where Tripura leads India's agarwood sector with sustainability, quality, prosperity for all. Hope this conclave a grand success. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.